Today, I'm going to share some tips about cleaning your brushes, which might extend the life of your favorite brush. Hi friends, I'm Mary Lou. So glad you're here. After a painting session, sometimes it's tempting to hurry through the brush cleaning process. But brushes that aren't clean just don't perform as well the next time we paint, which can be frustrating. And sometimes neglected brushes need to be replaced, which is expensive. At the end of this video, there are 2 bonus tips for your brushes. So let's get started cleaning our brushes. You'll need a jar with a tight-fitting lid. I'm using this cleaning jar with the coiled wire that I purchased long ago. If you are interested in purchasing a similar jar, you'll find a link in the show notes below. No worries, this is not an affiliate marketing link. I get nothing for selling these jars. This jar is suitable for oils and water-based mediums. Also, you can use a jar without the coil. My brush is squirrel hair and was used with oil-based paint. This cleaner is made specifically for oil-based paint. Denatured alcohol is another solvent used to remove oil-based paint from your brushes. For water-based paint, use soap and water. The solvent or water-stays cleaner if you blot your brush thoroughly before starting the cleaning process. Now let's clean the brush. Brushing and swishing the bristles against that coiled wire cleans the bristles from the end of the ferrule, the heel, down through the belly to the toe of the brush. In the jar without the coil, swish and press against the edges of your jar for the same effect. Next, blot the brush on a soft rag or paper towel by pressing the bristles. If there is paint on your rag, repeat this process until there is no pigment seeping from your brush. Press the bristles gently. Avoid pulling the bristles like this, because over time, pulling on the bristles causes them to pull out from the ferrule where they are secured with glue, or they can break off. Avoid leaving the brush sitting upright in the cleaner for long periods of time. This often causes a permanent curve in the brush and softens the glue in the ferrule, holding the bristles. If you want to keep the bristles in liquid, try using a clothespin to hold the brush upright without submersing the ferrule. Now that the brush is clean, it's time to shape the brush. If the brush was used with oil paint, apply mineral oil to the brush and shape the bristles. If the brush is used for water-based mediums, apply soap to the bristles to shape. In summary, a clean brush means there's less of a chance contaminating a future painting with leftover color that was embedded in the bristles. A well-maintained brush keeps its shape, which makes creating much easier. These tips will extend the life of your brush. And as promised, here are the 2 bonus tips. If the brush bristles are separated, try retraining with a piece of wax paper. Carefully wrap the wax paper around the brush, molding the bristles back to their original shape. Trim off the excess paper. Secure with a small piece of tape. Carefully press and fold the paper back. This might help retrain those bristles. Bonus tip number 2. I like to use peas or beans in a vase to store the brushes upright. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I would like to thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video.